Today I will tell you how to join Raise Capital. Before that, you have to have the Trust Wallet. To join in Raise Capital, you have to have Ethereum. So click on Ethereum first. At first, get your Ethereum address by click on Receive button. Now, copy the Ethereum address. You can share Ethereum address to anyone who will send the Ethereum to your account. Now copy the Raise Capital link. Remember, sponsor name is Online Jobs. Click on the 4 dot and open tab browser and paste the referral link. Remember, at the end of the link will be Online Jobs. Click on right sign. Here it is the Raise Capital website. Click on Get Started. This is the registration page. Put the username, email ID and mobile number. Now you can log in. Click on the login. Put the username. You will get the password from your registered mail. Check your mail. Copy the password from the mail. And paste it on the password box. You see, you are the free member till now because you didn't update your account. Now update your account. To become partner or paid member, click on Pay Trust Wallet. You will get a link on the box. Copy this one. Copy this link and paste it to tab browser. Now click on the Pay using Trust Wallet. Now check the payment and approve it. Now see, current status is partner. It changes from free to partner. You will get your referral link from here and you can share it to your friends. This is the earning chart, level 1 to level 10. Different level will give the different percentage. If anyone join to your team, you will get a commission even if you didn't join him directly. The commission is 12% for level 1, 8% for level 2 and so on. 7% for 9 level, 10% for level 10. But if you join directly, you will get 25% direct commission. Here you can see everyone should have only 3% at their first level. So next joining will come to the next level. If anyone join directly on my 10th level, here I will get 25% direct income and I will also get 10% income for 10th level joining. You can check the chart. If I join someone on the 9th level, I will get 25% direct income and 7% commission for 9th level joining. As per chart, you can check the chart. Here you can build the team once and get your monthly check. We can grow up all together if you join here. Always invest in behalf of your own decision. Lots of people engage nowadays with the cryptocurrency smart contract business. Thank you so much.